Welcome to our guide on how to send private messages on X, Twitter, on PC. Let's go through the steps together. Step 1. Open X, Twitter, on your PC to start composing private messages and connect with others. Step 2. On the left side of the screen, locate and click on the envelope icon to access your messages. Step 3. Click the New Message button to begin composing a new private message. Step 4. Start typing the name or username of the person you wish to message in the search bar. Step 5. Click on the person's username from the search results to select them as the recipient. Step 6. Click the Next button to proceed to the message composition screen. Step 7. Type your message into the message field, expressing your thoughts or sharing information. Step 8. Once your message is ready, click on the paper airplane icon to send your private message to the selected recipient. By following these steps, you can easily send private messages on X, Twitter, on PC to communicate with others in a more personal and direct manner. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to send private messages on X, Twitter, on PC. Enhance your Twitter experience by engaging in private conversations with friends, colleagues, or anyone you wish to connect with through direct messaging. Enjoy the convenience of sending private messages on X, Twitter, to foster communication and build relationships within the platform.